Okay. Well, welcome everyone who has shown up and those who are listening to the recording of the meeting. This is a little bit about the group mission, and basically we could have shortened it to just everything Azure, right? So this is our mission. You know, we're all about the membership and supporting the membership, a forum for open discussion and working internal formal networking, and people at all levels of Azure interest. We were founded back in 2013 with 4 members, and currently we have over 2,600 registered members, and we're growing. So tell your friends and coworkers about us. We made this announcement last month, but it's worthwhile to announce it again. We are now a global group. Many of our members were already outside the greater Nashville area. So we've decided to go global by staying online and encouraging everyone interested in Azure to join. So geography is not an issue, okay? So again, tell the folks you know, the folks you work with about the group. We have meetings. Our meetings are currently always online. You can register at nashazure.com. Very important, two topics that are very important. Let us know what future meeting topics you're interested in. Also, let us know if there's an Azure-related topics you'd like to present. Okay, Board of Directors. By the way, somebody's not on mute, so go on mute if you can. All right. Anyway, I'm the founder of the group and the president of the group. I always tell people I'm the group's benevolent dictator, but I'm an Azure solution architect, currently freelance. Roger Dahlman is a co-founder and vice president of the group. He's an enterprise architect at Deloitte. Tim Warner, who I'm sure many of you know, is another vice president, and he is a very prolific Pluralsight course and book author. And you can find you can contact him at techtrainertim.com. And Jack Hagler, of course, is our VACO sponsor, and he has been our refreshment sponsor for when we're meeting on site, and he's still a sponsor, which I'll tell you about in a minute. Okay, so Microsoft pays for our meetup dues. They're a sponsor of the group, and VACO is paying for our Zoom subscription since they can't provide some refreshments to the group. We do have sponsorship opportunities. If you or your company would like to have 10 or 15 minutes at the beginning of the meeting to promote your company product or services. Sponsorship can be raffle prizes, gift certificates, products, anything we can give away to our membership or raffle off. And if your company is interested in co-sponsoring a future meeting, just get in touch with Roger Dahlman and he'll set you up. This is a snapshot of our YouTube channel. We now have dozens and dozens of videos from previous meetings up there. So take a look at that. And tonight's topic is the joint meeting with the Memphis Azure group. Douglas, are you here? I don't think Douglas is here. All right, we'll give him. Okay, let's do a couple of announcements and things, okay? Oops, I stopped sharing by accident. Okay. Okay, let's see what I got here. Okay, I think you can see I was afraid Doug would not show up, so I made some I made some notes, real quick notes. Again, he was going to do it on site from Memphis. Like I said, it was -3 degrees last night in Cane Ridge where I am, and right now it's 21 and going down. Lots of snow and ice. So if he doesn't show up, he should be forgiven because schools are closed, everything is shut down. Okay, we're a global group. We talked about that. If please let us know what you want in future meetings. If you're interested in presenting or a topic that you want us to find a good presenter for. We have a lot of access to good presenters in the industry, including Tim Warner, by the way, who's been doing a great series on ChatGPT. Okay. Another interesting point is that there is a Nash.net career panel on January 25th. And although it's focused on Nash.net, there's no reason why Azure people can't show up to that panel and find out what the job situation is like. So I'd encourage you to do that. Okay, let's see if Doug has shown up yet. Doug, you're not there, are you? Okay, I don't see him in the. I don't see him in the. Let's just open this up for for general discussion. If there's anything anyone wants to talk about, how's that?
Hey William, I just have a question related to this Nash.net. Is this Nash.net is like the same meetup group like ours, or is it like as a separate, like as an website where we can just register there or just join? Is it like an event
Yeah, I would
or
join. I would join nash.net.com if you're here, and if you want to be in the Nashville group, if you want to be in the Memphis group, you can join at their at their website, at their
okay,
meetup site.
okay,
I don't. We won't always have joint meetings, so you should really join both groups. That way, you'll get the best of both.
got it, thank you.
Hey, anyone else? Come on, somebody talk. No, huh? Okay. Who is Brandon's iPhone? Just out of curiosity.
Hello, I'm Brandon Freeman. I joined maybe a month ago.
Oh, great.
I think Doug was given a an intro to the Azure startup, and a buddy of mine and I applied, and we got in, and we've been building in Azure for a few weeks now.
Terrific, terrific. We like to get new people to join the groups, in our group and his group, or both.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I think he and I are interested in. We saw a link where we can apply to present. We've built a few things that we could demo. A few
Okay.
different chat bots that do some interesting things.
Okay, let us know. Send me email. My email address is WZACK, like my name, at live.com. So let me know, and so far we don't have presenters for February on, so we're wide open.
Okay, great.
I'll let you know. Send me a note and we'll set it up. Okay.
Say that one more time. W Zach.
WZack at live.com.
All right, got it. Thank you.
Yeah. I don't use the email that's built into Meetup. It's too awkward.
Yeah, I've got you. Okay.
Okay. Anybody else? It's almost like an office hours, right?
This is Stefan. I'm out of Memphis or the Oakland area. And this year we have committed to putting some low-hanging fruit in Azure from our on-prem. So I'm
Okay.
here to start investigating how do you figure out what the heck you're going to be doing and how much is it going to cost is always the answer I can't answer.
Okay. Well, there is a pricing calculator, in Azure that, you can plug in, how much storage, how much this, how much that, and come up with a number. But you need to have an idea of what services you're going to use first.
Exactly. And that's one of the projects for this year.
Mm-hmm.
So being that I'm putting together the goals, that's on it.
Okay. Well, my secret identity is as an Azure architect. So if you have some ideas you want to run by me, I'll give you some help. Okay.
All right. Thanks.
No problem. Technically, I'm an Azure infrastructure architect. I used to be a developer,
Okay.
but I'm no longer a developer anymore. All right. I used to teach C#, but I couldn't do that today. So I do a lot of, creating Azure landing zones and migration. Again, I didn't want to make this a commercial about me, but that's my focus.
And I personally do a lot of middleware backend work APIs, stuff like that. I don't do the front end stuff anymore per
Okay.
se.
You might still be interested in the .NET group here in Nashville.
Okay.
There's a pretty good Carl Kinghorn has a .NET group that he runs. And as you know, .NET and Azure collide frequently, right? There's a lot of
Oh, yeah.
.NET stuff is is in Azure. All right, I'm not going to keep everybody. We've got about what? We've got about 12 people. I want to thank you all for coming. Like I said, if you have something you want us to present on in future meetings, we'll try to have a speaker ready when the meeting starts, and we'll try to make this a good place for you to be, to learn everything about Azure, including my favorite expression, which is using Azure the right way. Okay, and with that, I'm going to hang up and end the meeting, unless someone's got anything else that they want to talk about.
This is Mamo. I've been here a few times already. I'm familiar with this group, and I've been doing my Azure. I have a VMware background, and I've been doing Azure migration for the last 3-4 years. So I work for NTT Data.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, I'm familiar with a lot of migration. Also migrating from IaaS to PaaS, platform web applications, and all that. Okay.
Yeah.
Just want to introduce myself. Yep.
Terrific. There'll be a lot of experienced members in the group, as well as people, members just starting out with Azure. And we can help each other, we can share information.
Definitely. All right. Thank you for what you do. Thank you so much.
Well, you're welcome. I just wish it was a little bit better tonight. Okay. But, some things happen. Okay, I'm going to end the meeting. And does anybody else have anything else they want to talk about first? Okay, I will end the meeting. And thank you all for coming.